Uh-oh, keep coming. Oh.
Here we go.
Whee! Yay, Sally! Oh no, is Sally laughing?
And we hold our hands out trying to get it.
Oh. You dropped it though? Do you need mommy to get it?
Yes.
Are you playing Who's Got Duck Duck? Nibbles? Can y'all giggle? Can y'all giggle? Laugh, 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 laugh.
Sally, Sally.
Who's got duck duck? Yeah, y'all having fun jumping on the bed?
Yes.
And falling on the pillows? Annie, where are you?
I'm in the bed and I'm in down on the bed.
Yeah, but are you at home? Where are you?
A hotel.
A hotel?
Yeah.
Why are you and Sally at a hotel?
Because
Because why?
we can't get all the way and then it'll get dark.
Oh, we can't get all the way home from North Carolina before it gets dark. Are y'all having fun?
Yeah.
Hey, Sal Pal, are you having fun?
Mom, watch this. Watch this. It's going to be really high.
Okay. Whoa! Can you do it too, Sally? Whoa!
Mom, watch this.
Whoa! All right, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, camera. See you later.
Sally, can you say bye-bye to the camera? No. Okay. You want mommy to take the top off?
Yeah.
You say please?
Please.
Ah, good manners. Are you doing some dotting artwork today? All right, here's the green. Right, show us your best dots. Ooh, are you doing a koala bear, Sally?
That's actually a puppy.
Really? I thought it was a koala and his mama. There's our left-handed Sal Pal. Oh, now you're going to use your right hand? Good job, Sally.
Me?
Hi, Sally Sue.
Sally? Sally, excuse me, Sally. Would you like to go to my birthday?